Well, now on this video we will fix a little bit our gun. We will delete these weird lines that are a result about the projection. So we will use smooth brush and edge polish. Those kind of lines are very easily and fast to resolve. And we will try to smooth the edges because we got a lot of definition on that. So this edge, we don't need that kind of sharp. We need it a little more smoothed, so they'll look better. We will continue with the class. See you then when I finish this piece. Now I've smoothed all the edge of our gun. There are some sections that you need to be careful with, like the engraves. For example, that part, because we need a lot of quantity of for keep the engrave. So be careful when you smooth. Try to smooth it very soft. And we've got a better result when we smooth the edges. We will do the same to the other pieces. It is basically a very important work. It will add realism to our piece. And for finish this video and say something different, that is a time lapse. Now we've got just a side of our piece. Those lateral supports, we only got one. We need two, one on each side. For fix that kind of troubles, we will go to C plugin, go to Subtool Master, and press mirror. On the x-axis, it will ask us where do we need the other subtool or the mirror, and press OK. There. Now we've got our piece. this C plugin panel, it's very useful because it helps us to different purpose, like the mirror. I'll teach you a tip that is very important. There is a reason why I always use remesh on the pieces, because well, I've got it on a good level of detail when I use the Dynamesh. So when we use a 3D polymesh, that polymesh comes with a connection at one point. All these pieces got a connection here in the middle. It looks like everything is in order, but all those tools got some troubles because this vertex in the middle, it isn't one vertex, it is just a little hole. It could generate some troubles when we use the C plugin option or combine subtools. Well, when we use, for example, the mirror option on an object without a zero measure, we could lose the subdivisions. This happens very often because really often, because we can't see that little hole on the primitive tools that ZBrush got. So when we made a mirror and there is the possibility to lose our subdivisions, that's the reason why I convert the primitive tool to a zero measure tool. We could take a few minutes for use the zero measure, but you've got some kind of safety about the disposition of your polygons. Now we've got our frame. We will not add more detail now. There is fine. We just need more detail, but in the next class I'll show you how to add it. We'll create the cork of the gun. See you in the next video then.